Hello everyone, finally I'm back with the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the iQOO Z3 versus the iQOO Z5 device. Snapdragon 768G processor versus Snapdragon 778G processor, LPDDR5 RAM type, LPDDR4 RAM type, UFS storage 2.2, UFS storage 3.1. So in each and every category the iQOO Z5 has got upper hand. Let's see, will it make a lot of difference in terms of the speed test, and the RAM management test. And during this time I did include the 5 applications and 5 games, even the Badwans mobile game application game as well. And let's see which phone opens these games and applications first. That's what my main idea of comparing these both side by side, and which has got what type of RAM management as well. That's also another interesting thing to check between these both phones. So first let me show you exactly the Wi-Fi connection. So both phones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi connectivity, 2.4 GHz transmit link speed. Clearly you can see there. So now let's start with the first application, which is Google Chrome application, without wasting any kind of time. 1, 2 and 3. So both did open at same time, and Amazon also did open at same time, kind of close to, nothing much huge difference. Let's open this mobile phone. Still the iQOO Z3 is taking some time to load, I guess. So I'll try to keep this phone in the background RAM management. And let's use the Flipkart. Flipkart, both not bad in terms of the opening speeds, nothing much major difference. And next is a fast application. This is a normal speed test application which I'm going to do just for normal sake. So I'm not going to judge any kind of phone connectivity based upon these results, just to keep in the background RAM management only. I'm trying to do this kind of testing. Next is a Play Store. Play Store not bad. Let's keep this game in the background. Next is a Subway Surf. Now the games begins right now, and these games I did not add into the ultra game mode. I did not add them. And first phone to open is iQOO Z5. Just a little bit difference, not a huge, just a little bit millisecond. Let's see about the Badwans mobile game, how much difference it actually makes in the iQOO Z5 and iQOO Z3. Basically the iQOO Z5 has got advantage like LPDDR5 RAM type and UFS storage 3.1, as I said, so which makes a little bit kind of fast and smooth experience in the iQOO Z5. That's what I can definitely say that. So first phone to log in again is the iQOO Z5, one in this one. As you can clearly see, friends, iQOO Z5 was able to log in first in the Badwans mobile game, not bad. So next is a Temple Run. Let's see in the Temple Run. Even in the Temple Run also, both phones were able to log in, I think, and open at same time, I guess. In the Temple Run, not bad. Yes, iQOO Z3 did open first, shockingly, but still. Let's try to open the Candy Crush 1, 2 and 3. So both phones at same time. Last game is Angry Birds 2. So after this one, we're going to check the RAM management. How is the RAM management maintaining in this both phones? So that's going to be really very interesting to see how well this both phones going to perform. So first phone to open is, I think, both phones. So both phones did open at same time, not bad. Now let's go to the RAM management in the background. Let's see. As you can see, friends, all the 5 games and 5 applications are completely open in both phones. Clearly, you can clearly see. And now let's start with the first application. Now I'm trying to come from the first one. Let's try come from first. Both phones did open the Google Chrome again. Amazon also without any kind of problem. Same phone is there in Amazon. And next is a Flipkart, also no issues. And fast speed test also no issues. Exactly same as it is. Play Store also, iQOO Z3 took some time, but it was able to stay exactly same page, not problem. And Subway Surf game also no issues. And Badwans mobile game, no problem. It can definitely open. And Temple Run also no problem in Temple Run. And Candy Crush, nothing. And Angry Birds also no issues. So overall in terms of the RAM management, both phones are completely similar. But in terms of the speed, little bit faster in the iQOO Z5. That's because, as I said, it's kind of enhanced versions. That might be the reason why iQOO Z5 is slightly faster than the iQOO Z3. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. So stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to follow the playlist for more information on these both phones. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.